Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to go over an article that InvestorPlace posted yesterday afternoon at 2:17 p.m. And it says new expansion catalyst will send Golden Nugget Online Gaming higher. So we sure hope so at this point. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's dive into it, guys. We're going to go through the article, break down the charts, and then talk about my plans moving forward and what the charts are telling us, moving into this week and beyond. So it says GNOG has been trending down as analysts sleep on the company. Golden Nugget Online Gaming has disappointed investors so far. In fact, post-merger, GNOG has fallen about 30%. It's actually more than that. This is especially disappointing compared to the hype surrounding fellow gambling special purpose acquisition companies such as DraftKings. For those who aren't in the know, DraftKings rocketed post-merger and has returned more than 20% in 2021 alone. Golden Nugget, on the other hand, currently trades at around $18 and has been consolidating at these price levels. However, I believe the company is on the cusp of massive revenue growth, which would propel GNOG's stock to higher levels. GNOG and sports betting company is sports betting companies operating in New Jersey. It intends to launch in Pennsylvania and Michigan sometime in 2021. The company has also recently secured gaming rights to the West Virginia and Illinois markets. Equally important to those long-term catalysts, GNOG has recently released its preliminary 2020 results, and they are incredibly promising. In fact, the company ended the year with approximately $90 million in revenue, a 63% increase compared to the prior year. Goes on to say why GNOG stock is poised for a breakout. The bullish story for GNOG is just getting started, as it's only recently begun its online operations in Michigan. It had a soft launch in Michigan in January and will soon ramp up its marketing and customer acquisition in the state. Thomas Winter, the president of GNOG, stated in this press release, "We are thrilled to be live in Michigan and are optimistic on the revenue opportunity. We have just launched our marketing campaign, remember it's a soft launch, and are already recording close to $2 million in daily casino wagers. Michigan is embracing online gaming at a rapid pace, and we anticipate that our business in the Great Lakes state will exceed our early expectations." Goes on to say in 2020, the company is reporting preliminary unaudited operating income between 23 and 24 million. Remember, this is just the New Jersey market. We should see a massive jump in revenues and profits in 2021 when the results of Pennsylvania and Michigan are added in. I'm impressed by the by the fact, despite being a rapidly growing company, GNOG is profitable with healthy operating margin of approximately 25%. It almost seems like a novel concept to me. I guess I've just gotten used to investing high growth stocks that seem to lose more money than more revenue they earn. This is also in contrast to DraftKings, which continues to operate at a consistent loss. Golden Nugget is a long-term winner. Although there are plenty of positives to consider, some investors think that iGaming market could become crowded very soon. They cite the market's numerous competitors like Penn National Gaming, MGM, Wynn Resorts. However, GNOG stock could be the best investment among this group. The company's management team is much more experienced compared to the competitors, some of which are completely new entrants to the iGaming market. The company launched in late 2013 and has been executing well ever since. GNOG is always on the cutting edge of innovation. In fact, it was the first to launch an in-house live dealer studio in the United States. That means it has a live human dealer rather than a computer generating dealer. Further bolstering its knack for innovation, GNOG continues to make new games to this day. It has about 80 in the pipeline for 2021 alone, and the company has won numerous accolades, including being crowned Operator of the Year at the EGR North American Virtual Awards 2020 for 4 years in a row. So, yes, some good news. We know hopefully some good things are going to be coming. But I agree, man, this thing is definitely being, just kind of brushed under the rug, basically, and being slept on. So I do hold, still hold my position in this stock. And like I said on my Sunday stock pick video, that if it hangs around these prices or goes a little lower, I'm going to grab some more and just keep on averaging down. And then whenever it finally decides to take off, that'll just give me more money on the back end. So it's going to just take some time and patience. Yes, I know it sucks right now because we all thought that it was going to go to $50 as soon as the merger hit, but that's just not the case. It wasn't a stock like Nikola whenever the merger happened and got announced and it shot to like $100. That'd have been very cool. But crazy thing about this stock is, of all the SPACs that we've seen come out, I mean this one's profitable and everything, and is just kind of sitting there and hanging out. So a lot of people say it's because of the if Tillman Fertitta is not giving this stock enough PR publicity. But if he starts doing that, or if some good, more good reports come out on their numbers, then I think that it's going to take care of itself. So let's go ahead and dive on into the charts and see what they're telling us. And I'll talk about, support, resistance, and my plan moving forward. All right, guys, here it is. Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, has been getting beat down like it stole something the past couple of months. That's aggravating, I know, so aggravating. Key thing, though, just to be patient. As you can see in the past here, it hit a high and then, kept trading down for about a month until it started slowly, kind of gradually moving up and then, took off. So, um, I'm hoping that we could eventually get a turnaround and kind of make some momentum up to the upper, closer to that $20 mark. So what I'm seeing here, we did break below that 1886 resistance, I'm sorry, support, and we're traveling down lower. So that 1886 is now a resistance level, not support. Our new support level is going to be $16. Oh, sorry, $16.68. That's your support level, and your resistance now 1886. So if you're thinking about getting into this stock, you can take a look at the RSI. We are traveling and flirting with undervalued territories, so that could potentially make for a decent swing if you grab it in the 16s, which I'm sure, in my opinion, I think it's actually going to get there, and you can ride it back up to closer to that $18 or $19 level. That'll make for a decent swing play. But this one here, guys, it's gonna take some type of revenue reporting to come in, or some type of publicity from Tillman Fertitta to start making it move again, because it's just been stagnant and hanging around at these levels for so long that until something big happens and we get some more some numbers that come out and prove that they are making money and they are leading the way and taking advantage of their new markets, then it's going to probably stay around these levels or go lower. So my plan, like I said, was I'll accumulate at these levels, and if it busts down below and goes down to that $13 level, then I'll for sure buy a lot of those and average down big time and just wait. But this one's going to take some time. I say probably in about 1 to 2 more months. I know that's kind of asking a lot to hold on to something, but um, it's really not that long. You can kind of play in some other positions and average down in this one. That way, whenever it does turn around again, you'll just make more money on the back end. So, anyways, guys, I hope this helped. Hope it provided some insight for you. And as always, smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next video.